Can't even see. Look at that shit. Slipping and slide. Oh, fuck. Leaving dirty landfill. Let me put this cap on my neck. Here, give me a... Yeah. When I tell you, it's flooded. Flood. Yeah. Me and my baby out doing this second run. Woo! Look at this. We can't even see, man. Whoa! We can't even see. I'm glad we got up out of here before it got muddy. Man, look at this, man. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, let's get up out of here. Yeah, we made it over there and picked this stuff up just in time, huh? Ooh. First thing what? When homeboy said he wanted us to come over there in the morning. Yeah. Oh, that's another one. Yeah, because he said it's gonna be like, well, if it's like this, nah, I ain't gonna lie. Even if it is like this, you can best believe I'm gonna be out. Man, I can't hardly see. Let me put this down.